So hello everyone, welcome back to Behind Place, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you everything how to make a new Discord server. So just I'm going to give you the template of the server in the link in the description. You can copy that basic server template and then name it whatever you want. Name your server. I'm going to name it Behind Place Sky Hub, and you can upload a picture if you want, and I'm going to upload mine as well. I just made this, and here are all the info and everything you can see these are the roles and everything, and I'm going to tell you everything how you can do in this template. There is everything. I mean, like, all the permissions are set, everything is there. Just press create, and as you can see, our server is ready. I don't know why it created two times, but it's okay. This I'll use for any other thing. But as you can see, this is the server. This is the music channel and everything. Some channels will be private and everything else like that. Server status, something else. Okay, yeah. So this is going to be an epic Discord server, and I'll see you when I do more changes or anything. So guys, after you just click the template and got all these amazing things, just right click on your server settings and then go to enable community. Get started, click verified email address, and these both check, and select the hashtag rules section and just press create one for me, and just tick all of these. Finish setup. See, as you can see, server insights, go to server insights. It's okay, just leave that. So it'll already create a moderator only. Community update. This channel has been set up to receive official Discord announcements for admins and moderators of the community servers. We'll let you know about important updates such as new moderation features or changes to your server's eligibility for server discovery here. So as you can see, this is a very good thing. And see, as you can see, this you can get this as well. Rules. This, if you, I don't know if you can see this, but everything says hash over here, but this one is like book with a tick mark. So I'll tell you all the other settings right now again over here. And guys, before you do anything else, you just have to go to server settings again, go to moderation and just put it on high or medium. And you can see must also be registered on Discord for longer than 5 minutes. He has to be a member for 5 minutes, then only he can talk. But if you wants him to be him or her to be a member for 10 minutes, then only he can talk. So I recommended setting it on medium. Click on save changes and click on scan media content from all members. That's better, and I recommend you to enable 2FA on your account, so because it'll be safe. That's it for this. And then one more thing, I'll tell you again how to set up this membership screening like this, and welcome screen which we get in all good YouTuber channels. So we just have to press set up welcome screen, and I'll mute my microphone now, and I'm going to tell you everything. Not tell you, but I'm going to show you everything. You just have to see and copy me. So guys, you just want to head over to this top.gg. Link is in the description again, and just search server stats. You'll get this. This is called the server stats bot. It is a very helpful bot. So just press invite on it. It will load up. Then select a server. Where is Vihan Place Sky Hub? So you can do whatever you want. I recommend it. Just leave it like that. Press authorize. And it comes like this. Just press I am a human. You might have to do everything. So that is how you can add server stats bot, as you can see, and just press and just give it a role called the bot role. Just give it the bots role, bot role. Yeah. So this is now a bot. we all know that. So, and then now just go over here, moderator only. Just type s/setup, and just type. You can type whatever you want. I recommend voice. It will the setup will start, and just delete this delete this server status category. Just delete that and delete all of these channels as well. Just delete all these channels. These all members xxx bots count xxx. Just delete all of them because these are already here. So I'm going to delete them and I'll be right back. And guys, I'm going to be adding many other bots such as Dyno bot and everything else. So after I add them, just go to top.gg and again search. For example, wait, let me show you again. Just again go to top, wait, not top.gg. Just search that and type in all the bots that I name. For example, the first one is Dyno bot. So Dyno, you have to name it. Yeah, this one, Dyno. So just invite all the bots that I name, and all the bots names are going to be in the description. So you can just copy their names and do everything you want. So just select mine or your server and then click authorize. I am a human. It should add any second now. And yeah, it is add. Glad you're here, Dino. Yeah, me too, me too. Click on bot. Server is pretty good. As you can see, there are so many channels. This um I don't know what they'll post in this channel. So if the just go here and just press this. Okay. Yeah, and one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. Where's the server info, right? Just click on this and select. Wait, what? Oh, I was just thinking of something. Yeah. So the thing is, the important channels, all the important channels, like for example, let's say announcements. Just go down and just click announcements. Post messages that reach servers outside your own. Users can opt into following the channels, blah 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 blah. You can read that whenever you want. Just pause the video. So that's it for today's video. Hope if this video helped you, so it'll show you like that. So if this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again next time. Peace.